In this video, I will show you how to remove the rear swing arm and the swing arm shaft, also known as the swing arm bolt. You will need three main tools for this task: a deep socket that has the same diameter as the shaft, an extension bar that is longer than the shaft and fits the diameter of the bearing, and of course, a hammer. Remove the flange nut and the tie rod bolt that connects to the swing arm. The first step is to use the deep socket. You need to place the socket on the shaft and hit it with the hammer until the shaft is even with the frame. Then you need to switch to the extension bar. Place the extension bar on the end of the shaft and hit it with the hammer until the shaft comes out completely. The last step is to pull the rear swing arm out of the frame. You may need to wiggle it a bit. And that's how you remove the rear swing arm and swing arm shaft. I hope you found this short video helpful and informative. For the full video, click on this link.